Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a Litecoin, LTC USD trading pair with my customer Kasar. Let's dive in, guys. For me, LTC it's the most accurate chart ever because I track this fib, since I guess Zone 23, Zone 24. LTC reacts at crucial level so good. Take a look, and it's giving me the information. So most likely this fib are correct till penny, because here it's monthly time frame, but we tested on a weekly. So here it's on a Binance, and I want to show you the global charts. So I believe first of all that LTC can hit the new all-time high this run. One take. The second one, the positive news around LTC now about ETF. So a lot of rumors now. So the first, maybe even the first altcoin ETF will be approved for LTC. We will see, of course, but maybe soon we will see the front run, some hype in media about LTC. So just be ready. Be ready to fix some profit if the news front run the approval of ETF. So buy the rumor, sell the fact, guys, like usual. So take a look. This was a top. This was support bound 0.5 level by fib consolidation long-term period around 27 block, and we go higher around 145, and after that landed back to $65 0.18 level by fib, and it was a test of monthly buy line on the take profit indicator. I want to show you by the end of this video. So guys, conservative price targets for LTC still relevant, and with ETF or without ETF, guys, it's absolutely doesn't matter. Here 265, it's only the correction of this downtrend fib since May 21. I mark this one, it's I guess on the line chart, on the weekly. Yes, it was 1, 2, 3, and I'm waiting the new all-time high for LTC around. It's hard to say about the timing, guys. I don't know. Let's say here November 75, around $500. Maybe it's possible. $500, yes. So it's like a magnet, right? So $500, it's like sound like a magnet. Maybe 595 is 1.61 level by fib of this fib. Also possible. And imagine the hype around the LTC when the ETF will be approved, for example, and we hit new all-time high, and everybody starts talking about a 1,000 for a Litecoin. Confirm it, 100%. So, and it's going to be the time to out of this token. So, guys, all targets relevant. LTC move by algorithm, so good. We bounce to get a reaction, and the next step is a monthly gap. So it's a 153 and the 181. It's like a first trouble area. After that, the road is open absolutely to close 50% of this monthly week. It's 265, 0.5 level by fib, and was minus 0.61 level by fib, 300 round number. So sweep of that liquidity. But I want to show you the LTCUSD, the global chart here, this one. It's also possible to see the $500, right, for this token. This is how it looks like since October 13, right? And I think we're gonna see the new all-time high. 1, 2, 3, 3 touches. This is gonna be the next all-time high. But take a look. Some people can draw the trend lines. I'm not a fan of the trend lines. Absolutely not a fan. This is a monthly gaps. This is a monthly gap. So a lot of people can draw the trend line like this one, extended right. So some people waited the drop to this area, right? Maybe. Is this possible? Maybe. Somebody drew the trend line like this one. 1, 2, 3. It's just always fake out, That's why, guys, we can draw a lot of variation of lines, and we can adjust to our vision, That's why I'm not use the trend lines almost. Just locally one. So this is also like a magnet, definitely even on this chart. And I want to show you with indicator set what's going on with this token, to understand the logic and what the whales do now with the LTC globally and locally. Guys, definitely maybe next cycle, if for example, they will approve the ETF, we can see something like this one. And after that, we can land like this one to the monthly gaps. It's going to be the just mind-blowing scenarios, right, for LTC. And if the LTC will survive here, for example, we're going higher, definitely. With mass adoption, with decentralization, but just to be honest, I don't believe in decentralization at all. So definitely, like conclusion, I believe in new all-time high for LTC. It's hard to say or good now to buy or not, but if we compare like 41 cents and now it's $41 and now it's 84, so 100% profit. Not a big deal, right? But guys, keep in mind, for example, the new all-time high is going to be like $500. It's around 500%. So it's not some crazy profit. Direction markets mode. So this is only positive. This was a FRIA, right? But monthly. Pay attention for the monthly, guys. So we bounce back, and I want to show you here. Take profit. This is what I told you. We bounced at almost till penny from the buy line on the monthly. Now, the buy line is $62.38. For the mail value of the LTC is $46.82, for example. $45.46. If something happened and we're going to drop down, yes, this is going to be the okay zone for accumulation again. But I hope we will not drop that low. And I hope we'll go higher to the top. And after that, we'll see some signals for distribution. And this is still disbelief for LTC. All this period since May 2022, we're trading disbelief. And we need to see some FRIA madness. And I wish to see some pump, new all-time high, lower high on the market mode here on the monthly, and drop into bear market. Weekly time frame, guys. Also, this is not FRIA. So the road can be open at least to take profit line, guys, 108.37 and 121.95. A buy line on a weekly, it's 54.54 and 40.44. It's fundamental wall of the token. Under we get a lot of monthly gaps. I hope we will not drop that low to that monthly gaps, but who knows? Who knows? Take a look also on money inflow, money power indicator, guys. Here was a money inflow. Here was a money outflow, and we dump it on the monthly. So last time we dumped it was here. 1, 2, 3 months in a row was dump. Here we dump it like 57%. Now we drop to the middle line. Can we drop lower on a monthly? Yes, of course we can. But here's on a weekly, we got a money inflow. That's why, guys, base it on the sentiment, base it on the logic about the XRP, Cardano, some LTC, Polkadot, potential ETFs. Now more bullish than bearish for this socket. And we long-term period in consolidation. So that definitely, guys. Daily time frame here, the buy line is 65.32. Take profit is 129.29. Exit line 145.87. So that's it. So bullish signals. Here was a money outflow. It was like tiny correction. Now nothing. So globally, guys, I'm way the new all-time high for LTC. But take profit. I showed you. Trade on, guys. The last indicator here. Sell, drop, buy back, sell, drop, buy back, sell, buy back. So last time from the buyback, we pump it like 138. If we pump 138, yes, it's going to be exactly one full fill of monthly gaps. And the next step is going to be this liquidity pool. So let's mark this liquidity pool. I'm not a fan of LTC, I'm not a fan of all this tokens, old one, but yes, it'll kind of be like alternative for Ethereum, because for example Ethereum is around here and going down, so LTC still didn't get the momentum. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about ETF for LTC. Will they approve this year or not? Or deny. If you would like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.